It is a major, major problem.
Tuesday morning, local law enforcement standing alongside Attorney General Alan Wilson, calling attention to the reality of vulnerable adult abuse in the state. Wilson's office investigates this kind of crime, but he says not enough people realize that. He also says a lot of these cases go unreported because people don't know how to easily identify it.
So we're receiving an average of 72 cases a year, and we're opening an average of 50 cases per year. That's significant, but we think that there's a lot more abuse happening out there, and we want to shed more light on it.
Dr. Macy Smith works with caregivers who are looking after vulnerable adults. She says 3 signs to look out for are changes in behavior, finances, or appearance.
A lot of times they won't say what's happening to them in fear of, in fear of losing their home, in fear of losing relationships, and so they try to endure it themselves.
She was not being cared for, certainly not to the level that I would have cared for her, but I got her back with a bruise on her face and her dentures were broken. Half of her meds had not been given to her, and she had a pressure wound that developed into a very serious health concern.
Ellen Hinch is talking about the way her mother was treated at a local facility while she was under their care for 5 days. Now working for the nonprofit Lisa's Care Connection that helps caregivers, Hinch connects with people going through challenges similar to the ones she faced.
So someone just starting out in the journey is able to connect with someone like me who has gone through the journey and is able to come alongside and be a listening ear and just kind of help navigate that journey, be an advocate, and maybe offer a little advice along the way.
Experts like Dr. Smith and investigators with the Attorney General's office encourage speaking out if you suspect something is wrong.
We know the right questions to ask oftentimes to be able to get down to what actually is going on, what that referral is about. If you see something, say something. There's no harm in calling.
It can be anonymous and that the issue can be addressed, but at any given point in time, don't be afraid to speak up and speak out because your loved one is dependent on you.
In Columbia, Claire Foley, Watch Fox News, Local First. To stay up to date with this story and more, make sure you subscribe to our Watch Fox YouTube page. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss an update.